Welcome to Keukenhof Garden, one of the most amazing displays of flowers you will ever see. Keukenhof is located in the heart of the flower-growing region of the Netherlands, and visitors pass through fields of flowers on their way to the garden. It's an awe-inspiring destination that many gardeners and flower lovers have on their wish list of places to visit. With over 7 million flower bulbs planted each year, Keukenhof is a true wonder of nature. Keukenhof Garden is a celebration of the Netherlands' proud history of horticulture and floriculture. It first opened its doors to the public in 1949 and has since become one of the most popular tourist attractions in the country. It's a place where people from all over the world come to enjoy the beauty of nature and to marvel at the magnificent displays of flowers. The garden covers an area of about 80 acres or 32 hectares and is home to over 800 different varieties of tulips, as well as other spring-blooming bulbs such as daffodils, hyacinths, and crocuses. The flowers are carefully selected and arranged to create a stunning visual display that changes from year to year. Visitors are treated to an explosion of colors, with the garden showcasing a wide range of hues and shades that celebrate the beauty and wonder of flowers. In addition to the colorful flower displays, Keukenhof Garden also has a variety of other attractions that are worth exploring. These include a maze, a playground, and several restaurants where visitors can enjoy a meal or a snack while taking in the views. For gardeners, Keukenhof Garden is a treasure trove of inspiration and ideas. The garden's expert staff are on hand to answer questions from planting and care to design and landscaping. One of the most popular features of Keukenhof Garden is the flower shows, which are held throughout the season. These shows highlight different types of flowers and offer visitors a chance to see them up close and learn more about their history and care. Tulips are undoubtedly the star of the show at Keukenhof Garden. These iconic flowers have been loved for centuries, and their colorful blooms have captured the imaginations of gardeners and flower enthusiasts around the world. Tulips come in a wide variety of shapes, sizes, and colors, from the classic cup-shaped blooms of the Triumph tulip to the softer, fuller double tulips. There's a tulip for every taste and preference. The vast array of tulip varieties is thanks to the efforts of tulip breeders who work continually to create new and unique tulips each year. These breeders carefully select tulips based on their size, color, and shape, and then cross-pollinate them to create new hybrid varieties. It can take years of trial and error to create a new tulip variety, and even then, only a small percentage of the new hybrids will make it to market. But when a new tulip variety does catch on with the public, it can become wildly popular and highly sought after. The tulips on display at Keukenhof Garden are all grown from bulbs, which are the underground storage organs of the tulip plant. Tulip bulbs are planted in the autumn and then go dormant over the winter months before sprouting in the spring. The bulbs that are planted at Keukenhof Garden are supplied by a variety of growers from around the Netherlands, including leading Dutch bulb growers and breeders. The Netherlands is well known for its expertise in bulb cultivation, and many of the world's most beautiful and vibrant tulips, daffodils, hyacinths, and other spring-blooming bulbs are grown here. There are many different factors that can influence the quality of tulip bulbs, such as soil type, climate, and growing conditions. But with careful attention and expert care, tulip growers are able to produce top-quality bulbs that will yield stunning and healthy tulips, and the gardeners at Keukenhof select the highest quality bulbs from these growers. Keukenhof works with a wide variety of bulb suppliers to ensure that their gardens feature the most diverse and unique selection of bulbs possible. Each year, the growers send their tulip bulbs to Keukenhof, where they are planted in carefully planned and designed displays. The garden's team of expert horticulturalists select the bulbs based on their color, shape, and size, and then arrange them in patterns and designs that are beautiful and eye-catching. In addition to carefully selecting and arranging the tulip bulbs, the team at Keukenhof also employs a unique planting technique to ensure a long and beautiful display of tulips. The staff at Keukenhof plants the bulbs in layers. This means that bulbs are planted at different depths in the soil. By planting the bulbs in layers, the garden is able to extend the bloom time of the flowers. As the increasing sunlight and warming air temperatures begin to warm the soil, the shallower planted bulbs will bloom first, followed by the deeper bulbs, which will bloom later. This technique ensures that there are always flowers in bloom throughout the garden, and that the display remains vibrant and colorful for as long as possible. Additionally, the layers and bulbs create a stunning visual effect, as the different colors and shapes of the flowers blend together, creating a seamless tapestry of color. So, not only does the layering technique ensure a longer and more beautiful display of flowers, it also adds an extra level of artistry to the garden's already stunning displays. While tulips may be the star of the show at Keukenhof, the displays at the garden are not limited to just tulips. There are many other stunning and unique displays to be found throughout the grounds. These include more naturalistic woodland areas of the garden, designed to mimic natural environments and feature native and exotic plants that thrive in these habitats, including bluebells, snowdrops, crocuses, and daffodils, creating a serene and peaceful atmosphere. Visitors can see an array of flowering shrubs such as rhododendrons and azaleas, and enjoy the tranquil atmosphere created by the gentle babbling of streams and waterfalls. Keukenhof also features a number of specialty gardens, such as the Japanese garden and the English landscape garden, each with its own unique character and style. With so much to see and explore, Keukenhof Garden truly offers something for everyone. So whether you're a hardcore tulip enthusiast or simply appreciate the beauty of nature, a visit to Keukenhof Garden is an opportunity to marvel at the incredible diversity of tulips and to witness firsthand the hard work and dedication that goes into creating such an awe-inspiring display of flowers. If you're planning a trip to Keukenhof Garden, there's a few things you should keep in mind. The garden is only open for a few weeks each year, typically from late March to mid-May. It is best to visit early in the morning or later in the day to avoid the crowds, and be sure to wear comfortable shoes as there is a lot of walking involved. Keukenhof Garden's breathtaking displays of flowers and stunning landscapes are sure to leave a lasting impression and inspire a love of nature that will last a lifetime. But if you don't have plans to be in Europe and are unable to visit in person, we hope you have enjoyed seeing scenes of it here on Garden Clips. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and consider subscribing for more great gardening videos. Thank you for watching.